we have to name the congruent triangles in the diagram. The red marks on the diagram show us that segment AB is congruent to CB and BE is congruent to BD. So we can write that AB segment is congruent to CB. What else we have? That BE is congruent to BD. What else we have here? Angle ABE, this angle, and CBD, that angle, are vertical angles. And we know that vertical angles are congruent. So let me draw this red arc. These two vertical angles are congruent. So we can write that angle ABE is congruent to angle CBD. So we have given two sides and angles between these two sides that they are congruent. So we can write that by side, because we have side, angle, and another side. So by side, angle, side, congruence postulate, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CBD. This is my solution.